All right. So we're looking for the limit on number 8, and we're talking about the first one. Whew. No, no one blesses me. That's okay. My cough and sneeze are just two different things, but it sounds the same. All right. So let's plug in the 0. When I plug in the 0, we get cosine of 0 minus 1 over 0. And let's do a recall again. Cosine of 0 is at 0 degrees. So we have 1 minus 1 over 0, 0 over 0. Can we use our L'Hopital's rule on this one?
Yes.
So L'Hopital's rule. Let's write out limit as x approaches the 0. What is the derivative of cosine? Negative sine of x. And do I care about the derivative of the constant? It's going to be 1. How about the bottom? Just 1. So this one says negative sine of 0. So I'm going to worry about this guy first. So we know sine of 0 means what is our y value when the angle measurement is 0? So why did I box it? So we have negative 1. Is it negative 1 or is that 0? 0. Oops. Because our sine is going to be our y value. If I put a negative in front of the 0, does it really matter?
No.
It's just 0.
Are you saying that the y would be, or the x would be 0 when it's...
So sine is our opposite movement, and opposite is y value, so y is equal to 0. Okay? And then on the cosine, the x is adjacent movement. That was 1. Maybe I swapped it when I was explaining it. All right. Are we ready for number 12? Yes? All right.
Yes.
On number 12, we have to first plug it in and see what happens. So the limit is reaching 0. So we're going to get f of 0. We already have f of 0, so I can't change that. 0 squared is basically 0. So no matter what the function is, as long as our value is reaching the same number in that function, same number by the same number is 0 over 0. So can we use L'Hopital's rule again? Okay, so when I use my L'Hopital's rule, ooh, where do I have room? Maybe right here. So just by looking at this, when I plug it in, we are going to have the limit as x approaches the 0. So it says I need to go ahead and find the derivative of the function. So here's my function. What is the derivative of this? 4x. And how many is my bottom? What's the derivative of the bottom? 2x. Why am I not doing anything about this one? Because the derivative of that is going to be 0 no matter what. Okay? So then I have, right now we have it the same again. So we have 0 over 0 again. So let's use L'Hopital rule one more time and see if it comes to a conclusion. So what is our derivative of 4x? And then the bottom? And that's going to reach? Voila.